Welcome to Creole and Cajun Living with Bomb Cherry. In this video, I will be unboxing my brother PS3734T Pacesetter Serger. Okay, so after opening my box, the first thing I come across is my warranty and registration information. It's very important for you to register your machines, so don't forget. So as I continue through the box, I have my foot pedal, my extension table, and my accessory bag. Looks like the only thing left in the box is the machine itself. So let's take that out. So this is my very first time dealing with a serger. So as I create this video unboxing this machine, I too am learning it for the very first time. So as you can see, I'm just trying to get a feel for what everything is right now. Looking at the buttons, the dials, the levers, and I'm just kind of trying to figure everything out, and then I take out my manual. So here I'm learning what the trim trap is. So here is the trim trap, and it shows me exactly how to place the trim trap on the machine. Now that was very easy. As you can see, you just slide it on. Okay, so the next thing is my free arm sewing option. That is just removing a portion of the table so I can sew certain items. Okay, so the next thing is my stitch length, and this dial will allow me to increase or decrease the length of the stitches. Okay, now this is the stitch width, how wide you want the stitches to go, and that's this dial in this area. And now we're going on to the differential feed, and that is this area here. Okay, that's this dial. Now we're on to the tension adjustment dials. There's a dial for each and every single color or thread in case you do not want the colors to be different. Okay, so they provided a sample piece of fabric, and it will allow you to do a test run. Now I do want you to know that this machine came already threaded. Thank God for that. Now from my understanding, the most difficult thing with a serger is threading the serger. I'm not going to show you how to do that during this video, but I will be doing a video on how to thread this serger once I learn how to do it myself. Okay, so there's a few things that I have learned about sergers prior to purchasing one. And that is, as you see, I'm holding the threads when I begin. So that is important. And also you will see that when I get to the end, I'm also going to continue to sew even though the fabric is no longer there, to create that thread in which when I start again I can pull on. Also, you may notice that when I'm sewing, that if something is uneven, that the machine itself will trim it for me. And that's what the reason for the trim trap is, right? That is an excellent thing about sergers. Now, for me at this time being a beginner, the most difficult thing is threading this machine. Okay, so I'm going to just walk you through, but I think the most important thing to know is that when you thread the machine, you need to thread it in the order in which they tell you to. There's the first one, it goes in, it shows you where everything goes. Then the second, third, and fourth, depending on how many threads your serger has. Make sure you start with the first one first. That's very important. Now, as I work more with the serger, I will keep you informed on how to thread the machine, maintenance the machine, and different things like that. Like I've already explained, I'm just doing an unboxing. I don't know much about this machine. I've never used a serger before. Okay, so bear with me, and as I learn, I'll teach. It's as simple as that. Now, I hope you all have a great day, and remember to subscribe.